straight into it on the Great British Pound JPY short trade we took. So why did we take this trade? This is the trade we took here, right there. I looked for a level where institutions were interested before, and this is here. It's a 4-hour supply. Why is it just a supply though? From the previous videos I mentioned that it broke structure. So it broke structure here. It also left imbalance, as you can see. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. It goes show that there's a lot of selling pressure there. So when drawing supply and demands, as you know before, supply and demands are drawn from the previous bullish candle to the top of the wick, but not to the top of the wick of the bullish candle, just the top of the wick in this area, because that's the point of liquidity. So anywhere in this is imbalance. Obviously we don't know where that imbalance is, but you know, the institutions do, and we've just got to try and predict where they're going to move the price down. So yeah, as you can see, it's a supply, broke structure, left imbalance down here. Price was coming into this level. So again, this is something I haven't mentioned before. It's called a Garn box. The settings on the Garn box are exactly like that. If you want to copy that, these are the settings here. So this is a very good tool for finding premium and discount levels. As you can see, when I'm drawing this out, I went from, where's the brush? Bear with me. I don't usually tend to use the little paintbrush thing on here, but so I'm not too sure where it is. Either way, we'll use a square. Let's just change the colour of this. So I started from here, then drag the Garn box down to this leg down here. So these levels, obviously a premium and discount. This is the equilibrium, however you say it, equilibrium or something. I don't know, but either way, yeah. Not very good at pronouncing things like that. So anyway, as long as you understand, it's all that matters. So if price is around this level, we're not interested. Not interested one little bit. Just bear with me 2 seconds, because it's really bugging me that I can't find the paintbrush when I've literally just had it. There'll probably be a few of you thinking it's there, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, no, I aren't too fussed about that anyway. Let's get to the point. So yeah, if price is anywhere here, we're not interested. This is literally nowhere. This up here is the premium, and anywhere between 75 and 1 is the discount. Okay, so anywhere from 0 to 25 is an area where we're looking for shorts, and 0.75 to 1 is an area we're looking for buys. Okay, So when we're using this Garn box to find premium and discount levels, as you can see, we need a supply, and obviously down here we kind of need a demand to be lining up with the discount at the bottom. Okay, so if there's no demand in the discount, then we're not interested, because obviously we don't just buy in a discount and sell in a premium. That's not what we do. We need everything to align. Another thing is, here is a very strong support on the daily. Okay, so as you can see, price respects this level. See, it's respected it here, bounced up, broke through. It did respect it there, pushed down but broke back up, respected it here, pushed up, respected it here again, pushed up, broke back through, and then retested again before the push down. So like I mentioned, a supply is absolutely ideal if it can align with something like a premium up the top. Also, you know, you can actually see better that it's lining up with a resistance, so you can see it a lot better on the 4 hour. Price has really respected this area, so like there. So all this area is being respected, so we know it's a key level. Just to make it pretty straightforward for you, I'm just going along with a path. So yeah, as you get the gist anyway. It's a good resistance level, and I'm sure that you can see yourself that price has respected it. So yeah, this is exactly why I took the short trade, is because it lined up with the supply. Obviously, as you know, all supplies, only true supplies, has got to be a breaker structure, leaving imbalance. So imbalance is fair value gaps. As you can see, fair value gap from there to there, fair value gap down here. This is when price gets pushed away from a level aggressively. So, you know, as we know, institutions are involved here, and as you know, obviously, if you measure the pips, you're talking over 400 pips. We don't move the markets like that. So yeah, why I took the trade was because it was on a resistance level, marked the blue line. We were in a supply. We were also in a premium. So yeah, that's exactly why I took the level, took the trade. That's exactly why we took it. And there's not much more to it really. It's literally straightforward analysis. There's nothing complicated, nothing like that. I don't like complicated charts when people have lines all over like this. I mean, they've got lines here, they've got lines here, they've got lines all over the place, they've got boxes everywhere, different time frame analysis. Now looking at that, how would you trust our analysis? You wouldn't have a clue what you're looking at. And this is why I always say stick to something simple, because simple always works. So yeah, I hope you learned something from it, and I'll make another video on another trade that we take. And yeah, thanks for watching.